him, and it changed the dynamics of.
It sounds like, ugh. And how tall are you?
This is some Miss America bull, because that's the
An everyday girl.
usually
Like,
How old are you?
31.
And your ex-husband did what?
He's a doctor. He's a psychiatrist.
And how long ago were you married?
Up until 3 years ago.
How much older was your husband than you?
We'll say 35 years.
So he's 53.
Currently, yes.
Why'd y'all divorce?
My husband got sick with cancer, and that changed him, and it changed the dynamics of our marriage.
Is he in remission?
Yes, he is.
And who filed for divorce?
I did.
Why?
He became mentally, emotionally, and financially abusive.
He took care of you just fine up until he got sick.
Correct.
And then when he was fighting for his life, you became a snowflake. Did you have to work when you were married?
No, but I chose
No, you didn't have to. No. You chose, but you didn't pay no real bills. You didn't have no skills. Knock it off. I'm gonna be honest, ma'am. This is a whole mess. So even the way you're talking, it just sounds like, ugh. And how tall are you?
I'm 5'4",
How much do you weigh?
180.
Goodbye.
You've had plenty of if you've been with all these unsuitable men, you've had plenty of suitable men that just weren't exciting enough.
exactly.
But that's what does your dad do for a living?
He owns retirement homes.
Are your mother and father married?
No.
All right. So I don't care about what you want. What do you need?
What do I need? I need a man to bring stability in my life. I need a man to profess, protect, and provide. Yes.
This is
Why
some
you
Miss
think that?
America bull, because that's the Miss America goddamn answer. World peace and feed the kids. Profess, protect, and provide. Now you need somebody to check you. No, but thing is, ma'am, do you know what you need?
Yes.
Because
and you know
I'm going to
what?
just go out on a limb. I'm going to go out on a limb here. You've had plenty of men throw money at you, throw all kinds of stuff, and you've had all that, and you still ain't happy.
You're right.
Stability meaning what?
I just need a man who's consistently himself, not just like, so my past 2 relationships is like they go hard and then once they got me, they fall off.
Of course.
So I just need a man to be consistent.
Well, why do you think that is?
Because they look at me through Instagram and they think this one thing like, oh, IG model, but what they do not know is that I'm corporate and I'm very humble. So once they find out like, oh, this girl is really just an everyday girl.
It's usually because of the kid.
Oh no, he had 4 kids.
That don't matter with us.
Yeah.
Wait, let me back up. You're a whole mess. And see, I'm letting this play because you've been honest, but ma'am, look, women with pretty privilege, I have really little to no sympathy for women like that. Because you have more opportunities than most women and you mismanage them.
You're right.
I mean, could you date an average black man making $40,000 a year? Honestly. Come on,
Honestly, no, I expect a man to make as much as I do or more.
what range are we talking about?
6 figures.
And that can go from 100,000 to 900.
He has to make at least over 140,000. I know, but that's what I'm bringing to the table.